Good morning, first years. So, what is our lesson? Motion in a plane. So, motion in a plane. So, now we go to discuss about examples of vectors. Examples of vectors. We know that vector and scalar quantity. We know that vector quantity and scalar quantity and types of vectors also. We are discussing about types of vectors. So, types of vectors are completed now. So, now we go with examples of the vectors. Examples of vectors means numericals of vector. How the vector is formed. We go with the problems. Okay. The first one, a biker covered a distance 12 kilometers in the 12 kilometer in the southward direction and then 16 kilometer in eastward direction. First up, find the magnitude of the displacement. Okay, no? Okay, here only magnitude of the displacement. Okay, a biker covered a distance 12 kilometer in the southward direction. First we go with directions: north direction, south, east, west. North, south, east, west. Okay. For example, this is a point here. A biker point is the distance 12 kilometer covered in the southward direction. So where is south? This is the southward direction. Okay. How many kilometers covered? 12 kilometer. That is 12 kilometer direction. And then 16 kilometers eastward direction. After 16 kilometer east, this is the eastward direction. So first direction is this one, second direction is this one. This is 16 kilometers towards east direction. Okay. So then what is the magnitude? So of displacement. Displacement means final position plus initial position. This is the initial position, this is the final position. So this is the magnitude. And this is the resultant magnitude. Okay. The direction is this direction. Displacement. Okay. This is the direction of displacement. But here asking magnitude of the displacement. Direction is the, here for example, this is the southeast is the direction, but he is not asking direction. He is asking only displacement, magnitude of displacement. What is the formula of magnitude of displacement? That is R is equal to under root of 12 square plus 16 square. Very simple. Because theta is equal to 90 degrees here. Cos 90 1. So therefore cos 90 is 0. So a square plus b square 2ab cos theta, actual formula, but cos theta cos 90. So 0 that is therefore 144 root 140 plus 16 to 16 that is 256. Okay. And 6 plus 4 10, 5 plus 4 9 1 plus 10, 2 3 4 root 400. So therefore that is 20. So 20 kilometer is the displacement. So 20 km is the displacement here. Okay, displacement direction is southeast direction. What is the formula of magnitude of two vectors under root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta? Actual formula 2ab cos theta, but here theta is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, theta is equal to 90 degrees. That's why r is equal to 20 kilometers is the answer. This is the one of the example of vector, how to find out the magnitude of displacement, and this is the direction of vector. Okay, so now go with another one. What is second? A ship in still water sail 10 kilometer east, 10 kilometer east, and then 7.5 kilometer south. 7.5 ship goes to 10 kilometer east and then 7.5 kilometer south. Find displacement. Find displacement. So find displacement means he is asking with the direction also. Find the displacement. Take the directions north, south, east, west are the direction. What is the direction here? 10 kilometer east direction. 10 kilometer east direction. This is a point here. This is a point 10 kilometers east. 10 kilometers east direction. Okay, and then 7 kilometer south. 7 kilometer is the south. Then 7.5 kilometers is south. Ship in still water 10 kilometer east, then 7.5 kilometer south. So then what is the final displacement? So this is the final displacement, initial to final. Okay, initial to final. So therefore, what is the formula here? R is equal to under root of 10 square plus 7.5 whole square plus 2 into 10 into 7.5 2ab cos theta. So theta is equal to 90 degrees, cos 90 same. So therefore R is equal to 100 plus 7.5, that is 7.5 is 56.25. 56.25, this is 0. So therefore that is how much value? 56 plus 100, that is 156.25 and the root of 156.25 and 12.5. So 12.5 kilometers. 12.5 kilometers. Okay. And what about the direction? This is the direction here. This is the direction here. This is the direction. So the direction is equal to theta is equal to tan inverse. We know the what is the direction and direction. Already we know the direction is equal to tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, that is 7.5 divided by 10. So therefore tan theta is equal to 0.75. So therefore that is theta is equal to, we are writing tan inverse 0.75. Theta is equal, we are writing tan inverse 0.75. So the answer is theta is equal to 36.9 degrees. 36.9 degrees. Or no problem. Theta tan inverse 0.75. Okay. Now we go with another problem, that is rain is falling. Rain is falling vertically, raining falling vertically with a speed of 35 meter per second. Okay, rain is falling vertically now, vertically with speed of 35 meter per second. Winds means air, starts blowing, okay, గాలి వస్తుంది, blowing after some time with a speed of 12 meter per second. Wind speed is equal to how much? 12 meter per second. 12 meter per second. This is the rain speed, and winds blowing after some time speed of 12 meter per second, east to west direction. East to west direction. The direction is given east to west. So how to take east to west? East to west. This is the east. North, south, east, west. This is east to west direction. So what is the speed of 12 meter per second? This is 12 meter per second towards east to west. So what is it? This is 35 meter per second. 35 meter per second. Okay, that is the information. Now next direction. In which direction should a boy waiting a bus stop hold his umbrella? In which direction he is hold his umbrella? So this is the rain is vertically downwards now. This is the wind velocity towards east to west. So now this is our umbrella ఇలా తీసుకోవాలి, umbrella direction. This is the direction of umbrella. Okay, so then what is the direction? Towards east direction with some angle. Now go with that angle. What is the angle? First of all, we find out the magnitude. What is the magnitude? So magnitude is equal to R is equal to under root of, that is 12 square plus 35 square. 12 square plus 35 square. So therefore magnitude is equal to, first we find magnitude, after we find the direction. So magnitude is equal to 12 square plus 30 square, that is 37 meter per second. 37 meter per second is the relative resultant speed of the rain. So now what is the angle? So angle tan theta. So tan theta is equal to this one by this one. So this is 12 by 35. Therefore tan theta is equal to tan inverse 12 by 35. So that value theta is equal to tan inverse 12 by 35, 0.343 value. 0.343 value here. That is 0.343 value. So now that value is equal to theta is equal to nearly 90 degrees. Okay, and What about the direction? Direction, umbrella theta is equal to 19 degrees vertically towards east direction. Therefore, theta is equal to 19 degrees vertically towards east direction. Should a boy waiting the bus stop holding his umbrella ఎలా పట్టుకోవాలంటే with theta is equal to 90 degrees towards east direction. ఎందుకంటే వర్షం ఇలా వస్తుంది, ఓకేనా, విండ్ ఇలా వస్తుంది. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద రిజల్టెంట్ స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్ rain. So that is equal to 19 degrees vertically towards east. Now we go with another problem. That is an aeroplane is climbing. Aeroplane is climbing like this with steady speed of 300 meters per second at an angle 30 degrees to the horizontal, okay, to the horizontal and vertical. This is the information. Now the question is, what are the horizontal and vertical component of velocity? Simple question. Airplane climbing with steady speed. The steady speed to 300 meters per second at an angle of 30 degrees horizontally. Very simple. Horizontal. This is vertical. This is horizontal. Okay. What is the speed at angle of horizontal? So this is ila. For example, this is aeroplane climbing with steady speed. With horizontal is equal to how much? 30 degrees. This is aeroplane. How much that is? Nearly 300 meter per second. 300 meter per second. But this is 300 meter per second. Climbing steady speed. Okay. What is this? This is vertical component. This is asking horizontal. Horizontal is given. So now he is asking, what is the horizontal and vertical component? Okay. Here, what is the horizontal, Anna? This is horizontal and this is vertical component. Okay. Take velocity of aeroplane V. V is the aeroplane velocity. And take horizontal V cos theta. And vertical, we are writing V sin theta. So therefore, horizontal component is we go with horizontal component. So here the vector is equal to Vixi plus Vyj. But Vx is equal to, Vx is the horizontal component, that is V cos theta. And Vy is equal to what, Nana? That is vertical, V sin theta. Now he is asking vertical velocity and horizontal velocity. V is equal to Vx sin theta. What is Vx value here? Vx is equal to Vx or Vy? Vx is equal to, writing here Vx horizontal, vertical. Vx is equal to, what is that, Nana? V sin theta. And Vy is equal to V cos theta. So therefore Vx is equal to V into, what is V? V value is 300 into sin 30. Sin 30. Sin 30 is sin 30 1 by 2. So therefore Vx is equal to 150. Vx is equal to 150. What is 150? What is 150? That is meter per second. 150 meters. And what about Vy? Vy is equal to 300 into cos 30. Cos 30. What is cos 30 value? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. 300 into root 3 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 150s. So therefore that is 150 into root 3 meter per second. Very simple here. Aeroplane is climbing with steady speed. Okay, with horizontal. Actually steady speed with 30 degrees angle. 30 degrees angle. Okay, na? 30 degrees angle and horizontal angle 30 degrees angle. So therefore the aeroplane having two different velocities, horizontal velocity, vertical velocity, because horizontal velocity and vertical velocity. So therefore actual vector is we are writing Vxi plus Vy. In horizontal we take something into cos theta, vertical we take something into sin theta. What is something? This is the something here. This is the velocity is something here. This is V, this is Vx, this is Vy. Okay, Vx, Vy. So that's why this is actually Vx. Vx is equal to, we are writing V cos theta. Here Vy is equal to, we are writing V sin theta, because this horizontal component is not something into sin theta. This something into cos theta. Here this something into sin theta. Here vertical. So therefore the answer Vx is equal to 300. Vx is equal to 150 meter per second, and Vy is equal to 150 root 3 meter per second. Okay. Now we go with another one. A man swims heading right. Heading right means this way. Heading right across a river. For example, this is the river now. Okay, this is the river here. A man swims heading right across a river. Okay, across a river for a length of 0.6 kilometers in a certain time. So what is the length? River length 0.6 kilometers is the length. 0.6 kilometers. This is 0.6 kilometers. Okay, 0.6 kilometers for our 0.6 kilometers in a certain time. Time is not given, but certain time. While the river flows, why the river flows 0.4 kilometer in the same time. Same time. Find his resultant motion. Find his resultant motion. So here swims heading right. Okay, na? This is the way. This is the way of swimmer. 0. River flows 0.4 kilometers in the same time. Okay, na? So this is the way of 0.4 kilometers. Take same duration, 0.0 km per hour. This is 0. kilometer. Okay, duration is a man swims heading right across a river for length is 0. kilometer in a certain time. Okay. heading right across a river for length 0.6 kilometer at a certain time. But the river flows 0.0 kilometer in the same time, 0.0 kilometer per hour. The river flows 0.4 kilometer per hour. But man swims 0.6 kilometer per hour. 0.6 kilometer per hour in the length of this wave. So therefore, what is the result? What is the resultant motion here? This is the resultant motion here. Okay. This is the simmer direction. This is the. So this is river flow rate. So therefore, this is the resultant here. This is the resultant. Okay. Angle is not given. So therefore, the angle theta with horizontal. The angle is theta with horizontal. Take the angle theta with the horizontal. So now, what is the resultant motion here? So resultant motion. So this is the resultant motion. So that is R is equal to under root of. First of all, what is the resultant speed? Resultant speed. That is how much? 0.4 whole square plus 0.6 whole square. So 0.4 whole square plus 0.4 square, that is 0.52 value, and the value is take directly 0.7211 kilometer per hour. Now tan theta. So what is tan theta here? So tan theta is equal to 0.6. This is the theta. This is angle theta. This is the angle theta here. This angle and this angle both are same with horizontal. So that is 0.6 by 0.4. 0.6 by 0.4. So tan theta is equal to, what is the value here? So tan theta is equal to 6 by 4. That is 2 2s are 2 3s are 3 by 2. That is nothing but 1.5. Tan theta is equal to 1.5. Theta is equal to tan inverse 1.5. Tan inverse 1.5. Take the value is 50 degrees 19 minutes. 56 degrees 19 minutes is the angle. Angle is how much? 56 degrees 19 minutes. That is the resultant motion of the body. Okay. So after we go with relative velocity. Relative velocity. So already relative velocity is completed in a motion in straight line. Motion in straight line lo relative velocity complete అయిపోయింది. But here motion in a plane relative velocity. In a motion in a plane. So actually motion in a plane or motion in a straight line, the relative velocity definition is same. Relative velocity is same. So what is mean by relative velocity? Relative means something related to something. So what is mean by relative velocity? How to find the relative velocity of the object? Once again I will repeat what is mean by relative velocity, Nana. How to define the relative velocity here? Relative velocity nothing but if two bodies moving with velocities v1 and v2, different velocities, we go with different velocity v1 and v2 here. Okay, so then for these two bodies moving with v1 and v2 velocity, so velocity of object, velocity of one relative to 2. So relative to 2. What is the velocity of 1 with respect to 2? With relative to 2 means with respect to 2. That is v1 to I am adding. Velocity of 1 relative to 2 means that is v1, velocity of 1 body with respect to 2 bodies. That is we are writing v1 minus v2 now. v1 minus v2. or velocity of body, velocity of second body, velocity of second body, velocity of 2 relative to 1 means velocity of second body with respect to velocity of first body, that is we are writing v1 2, that is velocity of second body, that is v2 1, v2 minus v1, we are writing v2 minus v1. Okay, this is the definition of relative velocity. For example, take here for simplification, take for understanding purpose, I go with one example. So for example, this is one bus 1 velocity is equal to take 50 meter per second, bus velocity is 50 meter per second. Take another bus, that bus velocity is 30 meter per second. Okay, so both are straight. So what is the first bus velocity with respect to second bus? What is the first bus velocity with respect to second bus? With respect to second bus, that is 50 minus 30, 20 meter per second is the first bus velocity. And what about second bus velocity? Second bus velocity, that is v2 minus v1, that is 30 minus 50 is equal to minus 20 meter per second, 20 meter per second. Okay, no? Which means ఇంక ఎలా కనబడుతుందంటే velocity of first bus with respect to second, velocity of first bus with respect to second, వీనికి ఏమనిపిస్తుంది అంటే ఇది 20 మీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్ తోని వస్తుంది, నా దగ్గర వస్తుంది అనిపిస్తుంది. వీనికి ఏమనిపిస్తుంది, వీడు ముందుకెళ్తుంది కదా, కాబట్టి అది ముందుకెళ్తుంది కాబట్టి వీనికి ఏమవుతుందంటే velocity of first body with respect to second, velocity of first body with respect to second వీనికి. నెక్స్ట్ velocity of second body with respect to 1 వీనికి minus 20 మీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్, అంటే వాడు minus 20 మీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్తో నా దగ్గరకు వస్తుంది అనిపిస్తుంది వానికి. వీనికి ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది అంటే ఇది వీనికి ఆ బస్సు నా దగ్గరికి వస్తుంది అనిపిస్తుంది, వీనికి ఈ బస్సు నా దగ్గరికి వస్తుంది అనిపిస్తుంది. లైక్ సేమ్ మోషన్ ఇన్ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ ఆఫ్ రిలేటివ్ motion and rest are relative thing. The motion and rest are relative like that. Motion and rest are relative. Motion and rest are relative. Same ilane kanipistundi. This is nothing but a relative velocity. Relative velocity and motion and rest are relative and this end same terms. Okay na? With respect to one, with respect here two different frame of references. ఇది ఒక ఫ్రేమ్ ఆఫ్ రిఫరెన్స్, ఇది ఒక ఫ్రేమ్ ఆఫ్ రిఫరెన్స్, రెండు ఫ్రేమ్ ఆఫ్ రిఫరెన్స్లు ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి, రెండు మూమెంట్లు ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి వీనికి ఈ బాడీ మూవ్ అయినట్టు కనబడుతుంది, వీనికి ఈ బాడీ మూవ్ అయినట్టు కనబడుతుంది. కాబట్టి రిలేటివ్ వెలాసిటీ ఎలా కనబడుతుంది అంటే వీనికి ఇద్దరికి సేమ్ రిలేటివ్ వెలాసిటీ 20 మీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్, బట్ డైరెక్షన్ ఈజ్ డిఫరెంట్, బై డైరెక్షన్ ఈజ్ ఆపోజిట్, బట్ డైరెక్షన్ ఈజ్ ద ఆపోజిట్. దట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ రిలేటివ్ వెలాసిటీ అన్నమాట. రిలేటివ్ వెలాసిటీ ఎలా కనబడుతుంది వీనికి, వెలాసిటీ ఆఫ్ వన్ బాడీ with respect to 2 అంటే వీనికి ఈ బాడీ వెలాసిటీ 20 మీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్ టువర్డ్స్ దిస్ డైరెక్షన్ అటు వస్తుంది అనుకుంటాడు. వీడేమనుకుంటాడు, వెలాసిటీ ఆఫ్ సెకండ్ బాడీ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు 1 వీడు ఇది ఇటు నాదికి వస్తుంది అనిపిస్తుంది. ఎంత minus 20 మీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్, -20 మీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్ అని వస్తుంది అనుకుంటాడు. దట్ ఈస్ ద ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఆఫ్ రిలేటివ్ వెలాసిటీ.